7 reasons why to use a Ninja Moba automated conversation for your green business or municipality. Climate change communication aims to inform, educate, persuade, mobilize, and restore our ecosystems. A complex concept like climate change can be confusing, unpredictable, and often emotionally and politically charged. This makes it difficult to convey important messages. According to surveys, most people don't discuss climate change with anyone. This phenomenon is known as socially constructed silence, and it can be dangerous. We need to break the climate change silence. It's a serious and urgent problem that needs to be discussed and addressed. A chatbot can do this by providing a place where you can explore options without any fear that someone's watching you. In this manner, the bot can act as a place for learning and practicing new information. Here are 7 reasons to use an AI bot to help in your climate change communications. Even with climate change, a bot will never lose its cool. The AI will carry your distinct flavor and deliver your vision to your stakeholders. It won't reprimand your clients for not knowing something. Regardless of weather conditions, the bot will operate 24/7. The site will answer your repetitive questions time and time again. If you need to change the dialogue, it's easy to reprogram. An effective message spreads through peer-to-peer influence and through media. A climate action bot is both at once. Making climate change messaging a priority has never been more important.